I'm gonna try to get some video of the water down there. Yeah, you start to the binoculars, but it's really hard to tell because there's clouds in the way. We're so high up, but the views are just amazing. Check it.
Le dijo algo ahí, una cosa que yo no entendí. Y era el tipo que iba bajando. Lo mandaron adelante desde ahí.
But the other guy said he worked here.
Sí,
That he
pero
works
al principio no se miraba quién era. No se miró alguien como que venía. Y él ahí rapidito de una vez se puso.
Look at that beauty. The water is like a beautiful green. It's amazing, amazing. All right, we're gonna start going on our way down. Another mission, since it takes us 2 hours to get up. Now we're gonna try to go down, but I think I'll be fine going down. What about you, Damien?
Bueno,